So this is our avatar here. We'll call him Jarvis, and he can float on screen, and you can do your regular work and have Jarvis up on your desktop and talk to him anytime you want. He's going to go hands-free. He's going to have a keyword to wake him up, and then we'll be hands-free and we can talk to him. And he comes in. I got some things loaded to record the video and whatnot. It's below 10 gig in RAM. I'm using Gemma 4 on the back end here on LM Studio. And you can move between LM Studio and something like OpenClaw, right? So you can toggle between different models and different avatars and different voices. The sky's kind of the limit here. But let's put them through the paces. First of all, let's just do LM Studio here. And I'll just do a quick prompt here with a control key to do voice to text. Who was the first astronaut to land on the moon?
Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut to land on the moon. He made history for all of us to see.
So now let's do hands-free here. I'm going to activate that. Now, he won't listen till I'm hands-free. My hands are off the keyboard. I can do, hey, Jarvis. What's the formula for Coca-Cola?
I am sorry, but the secret formula for Coca-Cola is a closely guarded trade secret. You will never find out what it is.
Where was Coca-Cola founded?
Coca-Cola is a famous beverage company. They are known worldwide for their cola drink.
Do you know where the Coca-Cola headquarters is?
The Coca-Cola headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia. It is a really famous spot.
Hey, Jarvis, can you tell me the status of my OpenClaw system?
The system status shows the OpenClaw version is 2026.4.14, and the current model is LM Studio Gemma 4E4B. Everything appears operational, with no immediate errors reported in the session metrics.
So you get the idea, right? I can use this avatar and do my daily briefing, check my email, and have my avatar read it out to me. So the avatar is a tool over in OpenClaw as well, but certainly you can make all your inquiries to OpenClaw and then have them animated through the avatar here. So it's just an overlay and another interface to OpenClaw as well. So LM Studio, OpenClaw, wake word, voice activity detection, key in if you're in the mood to key in, use the avatar, go voice only, completely up to you how you use this. The key here is open source end-to-end and an all local solution with no API keys.